Ethereum is looking surprisingly bullish right now. Let's take a look at Trade Confident.io right now really quickly. 4 hours left on our biggest sale. More on that later. But let's check out the Ethereum charts. What I'm seeing right now is that Ethereum is in the anxious area. What this is telling me is that while we do still have maybe a little bit of room to move down, overall the market is feeling fearful. This is where whales and other traders like to put money into the market, which is going to push the price back up. Next up, let me show you the long versus short trades. We are seeing a huge big move up in long trades here. Short trades have seen a tiny move up too, but nothing significant, not nearly as much as those long trades. What this tells me is that a lot of traders are feeling very bullish on Ethereum moving into 2023. And if you feel the same way, you would not be alone. What the smart money metric is showing me right now is that whales are feeling the same way. They are putting their money into long trades. Whales like to buy the dip, as we saw earlier, and because we saw that dip, it's very likely that whales could be buying into the market now. Next, you're seeing the volatility breakout detector for Ethereum. Right now, we are seeing major readings in low volatility, with that reading decreasing every day. This is directly correlated to the horizontal movement in price. It makes sense. Low volatility equals low price movement. But as we see horizontal price movement, especially for some time in the low volatility area, once we poke back up over low volatility, that's where we're likely to see big moves. As we see that higher volatility, that means more and more price movement. So we will be watching that for now. Next up, I want to show you the Ethereum major support and resistance levels here. We have resistance right here at 1,150. That is a strong level of support to be looking at. But more importantly, at this point, the next one to look at is 1,350. Somewhere in that area between 1,300 and 1,350 could be where the price goes next if we get that strong bullish momentum that we're seeing from these metrics. Last but not least is the daily trade scanner. Now, the last buy signal we saw was way back here. I wouldn't be surprised if we did fall right here to meet this structure support at 1,150. It's hard to say if that's what's going to happen at this point. But if we do, I think we would see a buy signal right about here, and that's the point that we would be looking to maybe enter some money into the market. Now, we'll do our best to keep you updated on Ethereum, but if you want to get access to these metrics and check every single day for yourself, just click the link below. It'll bring you to this page right here, the memberships option page. Also, if you want to get access to our indicators, the biggest sale is here. It is the flash sale. This is the very last day. So if you want to get access to our indicators, you have got 2 hours left. If you want to get access, links are in the description. For now, let's get back to the Ethereum charts. Right now, I'm looking at Ethereum on the 1-day time frame. We're seeing that the price versus whale money flow has pushed up while the trend exhaustion has actually dropped. Now what we're seeing here is divergence from the price versus whale money flow versus the price itself. Now it is very important to note that no trend can continue without whale money. Whales are the money makers, they're the market makers, so where whale money goes, the market is going to go too. Because whale money has spiked and price has not reacted yet, we could be seeing an impulse move up. The low trend exhaustion shows that this trend, this little bitty downtrend here, is already exhausted and could also see that impulse move up. Now, if you remember the structure resistance that I showed you earlier right here, 1,300 to 1,350 in that area, we are seeing that exact structure resistance in here correlated to a sell signal. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if that impulse move here that I was talking about brought us straight back up to that structure resistance right at 1,300, 1,350, somewhere in there, and gave us another sell signal. Now, earlier today, I did post a video about Bitcoin, how it could actually be bearish getting into 2023. So this will be a really important thing for us to talk to you about. However, we can't keep you updated all the time, so I highly recommend grabbing these indicators for yourself. Links are in the description. Once you click it, it'll take you to this page right here. This is your last chance in 2023 to get these indicators at a discount. I highly recommend it. Don't miss out. You've got about 2 hours left at the time of recording. If you want the best possible deal, I recommend purchasing the bundle pack first, using code NEWYEAR50 for $50 off. On top of the 9 indicators in that pack, including the price versus whale money flow and trend exhaustion indicators you saw me use in this video, it'll come with a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder here. It's lifetime access for a one-time payment and full dedicated email support. So if you ever have any questions, feel free to email us at btradeconfident@gmail.com. Don't miss out. The sale ends it very, very soon. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.